very much for that. Let's get Ajit Mishra from Religare Broking for a technical check on the markets in the afternoon. Ajit, thank you very much for joining in. What have you made of the fact that markets have been unable to build on last week's gains? It sort of lost momentum. The mid-cap, small caps have come in for profit booking. Does that tell you that the uptrend that we had last week is stalled now and markets could make a down move?
Yeah, good afternoon, Rima. So, see, last week was the week where markets were trying to find the bottom. So, successfully, we could, defend that area 22,000 mark, and then we saw that as the week progressed, we could manage to gain nearly 2% on the benchmark front and noticeable gains on the broader indices as well. But Rima, now we have reached to the point, the first area of resistance that short-term moving averages, when it comes to the short, benchmark indices and the broader indices as well. So for Nifty, 22,700 is the area basically where Nifty is currently facing resistance. Today we have tested that mark, and now we are seeing that the broader indices are also reeling under pressure. Last week, metal counters did exceptionally well. They are extending the gains, but banking is not participating yet. So I believe that once we have some participation from the banking, let's say the banking index passes 49,000 mark, then probably we can set for the next leg of the move, which could help the index to inch toward 23,000 level, 23,200 zone in the coming days.
What specific stocks then, Ajit? You mentioned metals did very well. What are some of these metal names on your list now, particularly after the run-up that you've seen?
So, Omar, now I believe that there could be a bit of a profit taking in metal counters because they were the exceptional performers, and now we have multiple resistances on the weekly charts as well. Now, focus should be more on banking and other names wherein we are seeing comparatively, relatively higher strength. So within the banking space, Kotak Bank, wherein post the multi-year breakout, we are seeing a base formation. So here I'm anticipating that there could be a fresh leg of up move towards 2020 levels. So with stop at 1900, one can go long in Kotak. And another stock from the energy basket, JSW's Energy, it has formed a reversal pattern of late. And we are set for the next leg of the up move here also. With 540 as a target, one can accumulate at the current levels with 495 as a stop.
All right, Ajit, thank you so much for sparing time and joining us this afternoon with your views on the index and on specific stocks as well. But from breaking